What's up, everybody? Gary here from saferwholesale.com. So what we're going to do here today is kind of show you how the seats work. Okay, so you have your batteries underneath here, and then you simply have your seat latch right there. Now, this simply does not screw in. Nothing happens. All you have is your, again, one latch right there, another right there, and it simply clips in. You'll lift it, and then if I were to pull this up, this will come simply out, no problem. Also, right here, we have the seat, okay? Now, this seat, you simply pull this up, and then this will pop right off. So, again, on the Termite golf cart here, again, and these simply, you can see here, you've got your nice plate of steel that goes inside this plate of steel right here. So, inside of this plate of steel right here, and what this does, this goes up into the seat right here, and you can simply, right here, if you need to, tap it left, tap it right with a hammer. Again, tap it left or tap it right. If you pull this out and for some reason your seat right here, the alignment is not bolted up correctly, you can literally tap it in so it'll fit really nice in the slots there. Give us a call right now, saferwholesale.com, and then also here in the back, you've got your nice flip seat. Now this will come right down as well. And don't forget, you can get your option of the nice steering wheel. You've got your nice lights and whatnot. Again, call us today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. The Termite electric 36-volt golf cart for sale from saferwholesale.com. Thanks for watching.